How much does a 65-inch Philips TV weigh? The weight of a 65-inch Philips TV varies depending on the model, panel type, and whether the stand is included. On average, a 65-inch Philips TV weighs between 40 to 60 pounds, 18 to 27 kilograms, without the stand, and can weigh 45 to 70 pounds, 20 to 32 kilograms, with the stand. 1. Weight without the stand. A 65-inch Philips TV without the stand typically weighs between 40 to 60 pounds, 18 to 27 kilograms. This weight makes it suitable for wall mounting, but a sturdy bracket is required for support. 2. Weight with the stand. When including the TV stand, the weight increases to around 45 to 70 pounds, 20 to 32 kilograms. The exact weight depends on the stand's material and design, which varies between different Philips TV models. Third factors affecting the TV's weight. The weight of a 65-inch Philips TV depends on display technology, LED, OLED, or QLED, build quality, and additional components like speakers or a metal frame. OLED models tend to be lighter than traditional LED TVs. Fourth, wall mounting considerations. For wall mounting, it's important to check the TV's VESA mounting compatibility and choose a strong wall mount that supports at least 70 pounds to ensure safety and stability. 5. Checking the exact weight of your model. Different Philips TV models have slight weight variations. Checking the TV's user manual or the Philips official website for your specific model will give the most accurate weight details. 6. Handling and installation tips. Due to its size and weight, moving a 65-inch Philips TV requires at least 2 people to prevent damage. When mounting it, ensure it is securely placed on a flat, stable surface or properly fixed to a wall mount. A 65-inch Philips TV typically weighs between 40 to 70 pounds, depending on the model and whether the stand is included. Checking the exact specifications of your model before installation is important for safe handling and mounting.